for SipsBy. I am so excited and proud to always be working with SipsBy. And month to month, I show you guys some teas that are come from all over the world. And this month is no exception. This one is for the month of March. And if you're not familiar, SipsBy is a subscription company that is $15 a month. But if you use my coupon code FREEBIES5, you can get $5 off of your first box and make it at $10. So definitely you cannot beat that. So I'm going to go ahead and get into what is in this month's box. And as you can see here, I already have them laid out. So I'm going to do a taste testing as well. So let's get into it. So of course, when you receive your box, you're going to have which month it is. And then on the back of that paper, it is going to have your name on there, and it's going to give you brief information on all of the teas that you receive. You're going to receive 4 flavors each from those 4 different brands, so you'll have more than enough to get through the month. So let's go ahead and dig in. So the first one here, this one is Bruley's tea. This is an Irish breakfast tea. They said that it is strong, invigorating, and it's rich in flavor and quality. So this one is from the Stephen Smith Tea Maker, number 55 blend. This is the Lord Bergamot Full Leaf Black Tea. The next one, and it sounds so good, I'm really excited to try this one the most. This is a vanilla chai, and they said that this one is supposed to be a rooibos tea with spices. The last one that I am going to be sampling today for you guys is from Stash, and this is Jasmine Blossom. Okay, so this one is the Bruley, the first one I mentioned to you guys, and they said it's supposed to be strong and robust. I can definitely smell it. You guys can take a look there, and I can smell it already. It does have that strong smell of tea, kind of like when you leave like the tea bags in for too long sometimes and you get that really strong scent. That's the scent that you're basically getting with this one. Yeah, not only are you getting that scent with that one, you're also getting that real strong bitter taste, but it's really good if you add in like a dash of sugar and a dash of honey. For me, I put a little sugar in my tea because I just love sugar in my tea. Okay. So far, so good. This is a really good tea. It's not as strong as the first one that I showed you. However, it does have pretty much that same consistency. So, as you can see, there's that company. And show you the inside there. You see it's not as dark as the last one. And not only do I like the taste of this, I like the smell of this. So this one is the one that between those two, I can see myself drinking it more often because it's not as bitter, but it still gives, like I said, that same consistency. Now the next one is the vanilla chai. This is the spicy one that I told you guys that I was curious in trying. So let's see if the name, the packaging and everything lives up to its name. So there we have it there. Oh, what I love about this tea right here is that I haven't even tasted it yet, but I'm loving the smell of it. It kind of puts you in the mind of like Christmas, where you're smelling like cinnamons and apples everywhere. Yeah, those spices in the air, that's exactly what it smells like. It definitely smells like a strong scent of cinnamon. Cheers. Okay. So not only does it have that smell of cinnamon, it has a very strong taste of it as well. And oh yeah, now I'm getting that kick at the back of my throat where I'm starting to taste those spices. So it's basically cinnamon with a kick. So if you like cinnamon, you like spice, you'll like this one. Okay, so the last one I have here is from Stash. This is the Jasmine Blossom. And now, so this last one here is a green tea. And you You can see that there. Honeysuckle. That's what this tastes like. This tea is not bad. It tastes like honeysuckle. I was like, God, what is it? But yeah, it's not bad. Not my favorite, but still. And I think really overall my favorite is the vanilla chai. And I love that taste of cinnamon with that kick of spice in the back of your throat. Really good. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I'll have all the information down below in the description box so that you guys can get signed up for SipsBy. And guys, until then, happy sipping.